So now we're going to try to get the cylinders on. Got all the rings on. They're all gapped perfectly. Got your base gasket. She's all ready to go. Also, just went over and oiled these cylinders super good. I don't know if you can see in there. Super good. We're going to see if we can do this. It'd be a lot better if I had somebody else to hold it, but we can't do two things at once. Or can we? See if I can put this here for a second. There. So Xander, you have to grab one side. Hold this side up. You need two hands. No, just your side. This side. Two hands. Okay? What we have to do is I have to hold that. I have to squeeze that ring in before it can go in. Okay? Think you can do that? I'll try to do it by myself, but you just try to hold the weight too. Because they're heavy. Hold on. We got one in. Second one's not going to be so nice to us. Just hold still. Gotta be super gentle. And I think right there. Okay. Let go for a sec, Bubba. Make sure that my gasket's back where it should be. Slowly lower them down. It's tricky. Because you want them to go straight down. Then you always have to keep checking. You're not going to move anything out of place. Almost there. Just got to make sure they go down together. Double check. Double check. Oof. She's coming. Just got to be gentle to her. You break something, then you're screwed. See? Be careful. I like to lift up this side a little bit. There. She is in. Slowly check these over in case something was messed up. But I got her bang on. And there you have it, folks. Pistons are in. And no, they're not, it's not all 100% done. So I gotta put all the jug bolts and stuff back in, but next thing I'm just gonna put all the bolts in, tighten that down, check everything here. I still have brand new gaskets in there. Find all the bolts for those, torque everything down with the torque bar, and then we'll get back to you and show you the progress.